day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start with today's video, and I just want to start by saying, the Nasdaq100 at this moment in time, we have a very problematic situation, and that's that we've now gone ahead and broken below the Monday low last week. So that kind of wipes out this ABC correction. So, we have to kind of get rid of that, unfortunately. And, one is probably wondering, do we go down lower? And I've got to say, I still believe we go higher. I actually put, if I just show you the Telegram group chat, I did actually go and post a load of research that I had done over the past couple of hours, the past 24 hours really. So definitely go and check out this, and I basically give my reason in depth as to why I believe the stock market is still due a bounce in the coming days. And I'm going to try and briefly explain it during today's video, and that is I think we have to look at other charts, and one of those charts is definitely the VIX. Now, if you had a trading strategy this year where you bought stocks when the VIX went above 34 and sold stocks when the VIX went to 20, you would have made a significant amount of money. Very similar to like last week, for example. We saw that spike above 34, and then all of a sudden the VIX dropped off massively, and that's when we had that huge 5% gain. So what I'm looking for here is another buy signal where the VIX goes above 34, and during today's trading session we had a high in the VIX up at around 33.95, so perhaps we just need to go a little bit higher to get to 34. If it's a massive buy signal, it just shows you how much fear is currently in the market. And then the second chart that I think we really need to look at to understand when this market could potentially bounce is the 10-year Treasury bonds. And I've been saying for so long now, especially on my free analysis group over on Telegram, that I did expect the 10 years to go and retest a high. Same with the dollar. I said that it's very likely that this is not the peak, and we will go and have a retest, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. And in fact, we did actually go and test that high earlier on during today's trading session, and since then we have dropped off ever so slightly. So what I'm anticipating in the coming days and weeks is a continuation of a drop-off here in the 10-year bond yield, and of course in the VIX. And I think in return it will cause a rather attractive bounce here in the US equity market, such as the Nasdaq, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30. So, although we have got rid of our ABC correction pattern, I still look at this dip as a fantastic buying opportunity, especially as the sentiment is becoming super negative. We had the JP Morgan CEO, Jamie speaking yesterday on CNBC, and he basically said that he believes that the S&P 500 could fall an extra 20%, and you've just seen loads of investors today really basically shitting themselves, really scared, saying, oh my god, the S&P 500 is going to go down to 2,900. Well, he said it could, and of course it could. Look at the 2008-2009 financial crisis. I would never rule anything out, but he said he could. He doesn't say that he believes it's going to. So again, I wouldn't really read too much into what people are saying when they come onto these platforms such as Bloomberg and CNBC. I personally believe that this dip should be bought due to the two reasons that I just showed you with regards to the 10-year Treasury bond and the VIX.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.